So you know I got the 2500 HD Silverado truck, Duramax 6.6 LMM engine, okay, 2008, awesome truck, high mileage, but it purrs like a kitten. All right, so we just did the AutoCal install. I'm not sure if you've seen that video yet, but be sure to check it out. I'm simply showing you the process of installing this fine piece of equipment here, brought to you by Motor Ops of California. Black Ops, I guess, also is the name they go by. But yeah, came here in a jiffy, delivered USPS with everything you need. Got the interface cable for the computer for updates. Got my interface cable for the OBD2. I got some cool stickers. Oh my God, these stickers are cool. I mean, look at how they're raised stickers. They're just awesome stickers. It comes with instructions. It also comes with the drum roll. It comes with the auto calibration unit also, which also has multiple purposes as far as like a scan tool and a whole bunch of other things, okay? But this right here is a filter that I ordered to replace the stock, and which I didn't need because I already got the cat filter on there with an adapter plate, okay? But when I take a look under the hood of my truck, you know, there's another filter off to the side. It looks like someone installed the relocation kit under there at some point. And so altogether, I got my uplift pump filters, I got the cat filter in there, and I also have another small filter up under there. Too many filters, all right? So I'm running into a problem occasionally when I give it a lot of gas, give it a lot of acceleration. I run into the problem of, what is it? It's called, run into the problem of low fuel rail pressure, okay? It lasts for a little bit, I guess a drive cycle or two, then it goes away. So I keep running into that problem. So that's the situation I have now, and my way of fixing that is to install this part right here. All right, so this here is going to delete one of my fuel filters. I'm going to delete the one that's in the stock location, which is my cat filter, which has the you know what I should do is delete the one that's under the hood. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete the one that's under the hood, and we're gonna go from there. So stay tuned. Let's jump in here and see how things go. All right. So first off, I ordered this piece from off of eBay, and this piece right here, which is the plug that plugs off the Wi-Fi sensor, the water fuel sensor. I put that on there also, okay, which eliminates a big hole at the bottom for the stock sensor that goes in there, which mine doesn't have that anyway because I got the cat filter in the stock location, okay? So someone already took care of the deletion process of that. We're gonna go ahead and get this installed, and we're gonna go from there and see how things go, okay? So stay tuned. This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, and let's get it. I'm in the garage today with my 2500 HD Chevrolet, you know, the Duramax 6.6 liter thing, and what we're trying to do is get rid of the occasional code, which is the low fuel rail pressure. So some things that I did observe with my truck, just looking here at my lens, but some things that I did observe here with my truck is that it has multiple fuel filters. We had the uplift pump filters, we had a relocated filter under the hood of the truck, and we also have
What's up, YouTube? This is C-Spec Isaiah.
Yeah, tell him, Isaiah. But yeah, underneath here, and we also have the cat filter right here. As you can see, that thing right there.
What's a cat filter?
That orange filter right there. See it?
That's orange?
Yep. So it's orange, yellowish. But yeah, we got the adapter under there so that we can run this cat filter without the sensor for water detection and whatnot, because we already have the uplift pumps, which already have that feature. So what I did is purchase this right here. All right. So as you can see with this, it has the opening when you order it. I ordered that little plug right there, which you can find all this on eBay. It's like 30 something bucks, 19 bucks for the other one, for the plug. And keep in mind, it comes with the opening for like a fuel pressure rail sensor, for a fuel pressure sensor and whatnot. So when I first got it, I noticed I just kept having leakage, and I forgot all about that thing. But it was because fuel was getting past that. Tried Teflon tape on it, it didn't work. So I just JB welded that thing shut, so I ain't gotta worry about it. So I got fuel in here. Haven't noticed any leaking or anything going on, so all is well so far. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back in here and see if we can get some relief with it, you know. So let's go ahead and do that. So go ahead and throw this baby in there and see what happens. So remember, at this point, you're putting on, you have no filters up here. Your filter is your uplift pump, which I have located back here. That's why I be slow sometimes, you know. Have my youngins with me. They don't let daddy do nothing. Look at my uplift pump there. We got the fuel filter, and you also got the water separation filter. And there goes a break for my video. You got a what? Okay. And I will be back. Chance, let it out. Alright, check it out, gang. This is what it is right here. Alright, so I was just showing you guys the filter problem. Filter problem I had going on, which was causing me to lose pressure at the up here at the fuel rail. Okay, see, now at the stock filter, which is located right here, which you don't see anymore, which I had the cat adapter with the cat filter on there. Alright, also had a filter located right there where you can see the bracket, which is no longer there, which used to hold this right here. This is a filter relocator. This is what was there. Alright, you know, I actually found the hardware to bypass these two hoses that go right here. I hooked the hoses up to the L-shape adapter, and it was Gucci from there. So definitely worked out in my favor for that. So took that out, got that bypass. I just eliminated this filter right here. As you can see, I got the let's see, there you go. As you can see right up there, I got the little adapter, the little delete right here. There you go. That's it right there. That's the delete housing. This bottom portion down there where the sensor goes, you have to order that separately. This comes without it. It just comes with a opening for you to put a gauge there if you need to. And I plugged that gauge hole with JB Well, the high PSI strength one, and it's doing wonders. Alright, so I eliminated both of these filters. The only filter that I have currently going on is the lift pump, which is located underneath the vehicle back there in the back. Alright, so yeah, that's all you need. You just need your lift pump filter. You got the water separator filter right there next to it. I'm about to go ahead and throw my water deflector back up in here, and I should be good to go. Alright, so as you can see, everything looking pretty clean, not too bad. 337,000 miles on this truck, guys, and it's still going strong. Okay, so let's get this thing wrapped up, and yeah, and it's all good from there. It's all good from there. You feel me? Okay, that's what it is. All right, the next thing that I'm about to do, though, as you can see, it is definitely time. It's time to replace this. It's time, guys, to replace this filter right here. Okay, it's looking like it's had its share of miles. I mean, it still breathes good, you know. Got the breathing sensor over here, no issues there. But it's time to replace that. I'm gonna get the S&B, which comes from back here all the way up. Cold air intake. It's gonna be enclosed, look a whole lot fresher up under here. It's gonna bring some life to the engine compartment. Okay, so that's what's next up. Got the grill coming up next, and the lighting coming up next also. Lighting, grill, and the filter system. Okay, so this is your boy C-Spec. I'm going to get this thing wrapped up, and we'll be back. All right, we got the splash guard installed and everything ready to go. As you can see right there, I pulled this out from under the truck. This is my cat filter, in case y'all are interested. It's the 1R0750 filter you need, and you need the Duramax adapter, fuel filter adapter for the fuel cat filter adapter, so that can work, so that you can get rid of that little sensor and all the other rig-a-dig stuff up under there. All right, so we eliminated all that unnecessary nonsense. Let's go ahead and crank this baby up. Here I sound, okay?
big whistle right there, boys. That big whistle, boy. Woo. Alright. I'm gonna button this baby back up and we're gonna call it, guys. It's your boy C-Spec Curtin. I'm out of here. Peace.